Hello, everyone. My name is Anna. Today, I will share my simple evening routine with you. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is great for beginners. Are you ready? Let's start. I usually finish work at 6. I walk home because I live near my office. The walk takes about 15 minutes. I enjoy the fresh air after work. When I arrive home, I wash my hands first. Then I change into comfortable clothes. I feel calm and relaxed. Next, I go to the kitchen. I make something easy for dinner. Sometimes I cook noodles with vegetables. Sometimes I heat some soup. I like to drink warm tea in the evening. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I put everything back in place. I like my home to be clean and quiet. Then I spend some time relaxing. I sit by the window. I check my phone. Sometimes I watch videos. Sometimes I write in my journal. At about 10 o'clock, I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth. I take a quick shower. I put on my pajamas. Finally, I go to my bedroom. I turn off the lights. I lie down and take a deep breath. Soon, I fall asleep. That is my evening routine. What about you? What do you usually do after dinner? Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.